Captain's Log. It's the 15th of May of 2024. The time has just gone 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and today I'm trying out my new extension, which I've never used before, with a chainsaw on it to deal with this limb which goes way up there, which I've been meaning to trim for years now, and Alison's just going to take over from me now and film me doing it to see how we get on. And Alison will take over the commentary. Let's find out how this works, shall we?
Okay. Go. Fight your way into the jungle. And there we go. Yeah, I'm going to get out of the way. Hopefully this is going to work. There we go, timber! And there goes the ladder. And there is our little gorilla in the mist.